Hello guys, and thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a sweet potato fries recipe, and first of all we need to cut our sweet potato into thin strips or wedges. So after cutting our strips, we need to put water in a pan and let it boil. Then afterwards we put in our potato strips. Guys, make sure you don't overcook your strips. Cook only for 5 minutes or just blanch them for a while and then drain off the water. I have cooked my sweet potato strips in boiling water for 5 minutes, and now I make our topping. For that we need a small amount of wheat flour, salt, water, peanut butter, and in my case I have used textured peanut butter because I want to feel that crunch in my sweet potato fries end result. Mix the ingredients well and pour over sweet potato strips and bake in an oven for 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, depending on how crunchy you want them. For me, I like them half crunchy, half soft. Our fries are ready, and I will garnish them with a little bit of peanut oil and coriander leaves. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Till next time, bye.